Okay, I'll be proving that f of x to the 2x is 1 to 1 and onto. First, we have to show, to prove 1 to 1, we have to show that 2 to the x, 1 is equal to 2 to the x, 2. We do this by making this log base 2. 2 to the x, 1 is equal to log base 2, 2 to the x, 2. This makes it x1 is equal to x2, which means it's 1 to 1. Now, I have to do onto. Onto, we do 2 to the x is equal to y. And we do the same thing as before. We go log base 2. 2 to the x equals log base 2 to the y. Okay. Now, this becomes x, and this stays log 2 to the y. Now, I replace this x up here with this right here. Now we're going to have 2 to the log base 2 y is equal to y. Now we know that when you have this number here 2 and you have the same number in the log base as its exponent, y is the final answer. So y is equal to y, and now it is onto. And that's it.